What's up guys, and welcome back to One Life Cars. You join me today on the inside of the Vauxhall Astra Mark 5 for a quick tutorial on how to locate and adjust your handbrake. Now this can be an MOT failure for a lot of people. The handbrake's a bit slack and then they charge you some silly amounts to tighten it, but it's really simple, something you can do at home, dead easy to get to, and only requires one tool. So let's have a look and I'll show you where it is. Right guys, for those of you who are new, my name's Sam Clark and this is One Life Cars, where I show you guys how to fix stuff on your car. You can request your own tutorial, just let me know in the comments of any video and I'll do my best to get it done, even if it's a car that's not already been on the channel. So let's crack on with this. The Vauxhall Astra Mark 5, this is a 56 model, and I'm going to show you guys how to adjust the handbrake and also how to locate the OBD port. This is going to need an edit. OBD port, I think they're called. The port you plug your little thing in to read codes. So as you can see, I'm pointing right at the handbrake, and you go sort of between the handbrake and the gear stick. If you stick your fingers down here and get behind this bit of plastic here and pull it up, pulls up either dead easy like that. It's a bit sort of, it's been in and out loads this one, but yours might be a bit harder, so don't worry if it feels a bit tight because it's on these metal clips. It will clip out. Sort of get it from that end and gently pull it up. And revealing first thing is the OBD port. I'm going to get laughed at in the comments if I'm wrong, but you know what I mean. It's the port that you plug your code reader into to find code faults on the car. So that's how you locate that, just under that plastic cover, and you can plug your thing right into it. And the next bit, how to adjust your handbrake. Get the sort of lever that's at the bottom of it, and it'll be clipped in here, so you might have to get it from the bottom again and pull it out there first and unclip it. I've already done that, and you're simply going to pull it back over the handbrake, which will reveal, if it's still there, you'll see a little black rubber grommet sticking up covering the thread, or it might already be gone on your car. First thing you've got to do is take that rubber grommet off, and it will reveal a long bolt here with a 10mm nut on the end. So you can't really get in with a spanner. You could here and do tiny adjustments, but it'll take forever. If you've only got a 10mm spanner, you can use that. It will get the job done eventually. But preferably you want a long 10mm socket, a deep one, that'll go over that with an extension bar on your ratchet, so you can sort of get it from up here and ratchet it. Obviously as normal, clockwise will tighten it, which will tighten the cable. So if you've got a sort of a dead slack handbrake, you have to pull it really high up to get it to lock. Then you want to tighten it a bit, just do a sort of a turn or a couple of turns at a time, and then test it out until it's in sort of where you want it to be. Or on the other hand, if you say your handbrake feels really too tight and too low down, or maybe you've heard it binding on the drums or rear discs because it's been adjusted too tight, or maybe you've just put new pads in and it's just, you know, it's really tight, dead low down, and you just want to slacken it off a tiny bit. It's rare to slacken them off, but it does happen. Anti-clockwise for that, sort of as you would normally to undo or tighten a bolt or a nut. And that's how to adjust your handbrake. And after you've done that, you can stick your rubber grommet back on. It's a bit fiddly to get your hands in. Pop this lever back on there, get your plastic, and you're going to go in, I think, yeah, the front, sort of the front of it first, and then it should find the clips, clip back down into those sort of little grooves there. See the metal clips there and the big groove in the plastic. But anyway, that's how to sort of put it back together, and that's about it guys. I hope you found this video useful. So that was how to adjust your handbrake on the Vauxhall Astra Mark 5, and also locate your code reading port. Starts with an O. I hope you found this video useful guys. If you did, hit that like button. If you're new to the channel and you like these tutorials, or maybe you want to see a tutorial on your own car, hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments. But other than that, take it easy guys. Until next time, peace.